It's day 2, and I'm so tired. I'm hoping to get a bunch of stuff done today. I think I'll head out. Probably.
My mom usually feeds these crows that show up on our balcony, and here's me playing hide and seek with one of them. Since she wasn't around, I decided to feed them myself. My mom usually gives them broken pieces of pedigree. Weird, I know, but they actually really like it. But leftover rice is all I had. As I waited for my birdie to get his little rice ball, this huge crow showed up and literally stole the rice ball. It was a real David versus Goliath, survival of the fittest kind of a situation, and I thought it best not to intervene in the moment, lest an Alfred Hitchcock esque bird situation arose. I really did not want to get in the middle of that. I later kept some more rice balls and some water out there because I felt really bad for the first crow, but I don't think it ever showed up again that day. Next, I had some rice, dal, carrot torin, and kimchi, and got some work done. But my dumb self forgot to film that part. Around 3 in the late afternoon, which is when my munchies usually show up, I felt like a snack. I felt like having a snack. So I decided to make some cold coffee instead of having some solid food. I love cold coffee, and I like to think that I've learned every little secret there is to making cold coffee. No. I pretty much mastered the art of making cold coffee. The only issue is that I never get the measurements right. I always eyeball it, and for some reason, I'm always surprised when it doesn't turn out right on the first try. But it's nothing that a ton of sugar can't fix. It's a whole process, but the final thing is always really delish.
So good.
Next, I decided to clean up my nails while watching some good old K-drama. I did take a short detour and switch it up with some hilarious Phantom Malayalam serial. Then it was time to get some editing done. I finished up the Avla Betta travel vlog which I was working on for over 2 weeks. It's already up on my channel, so if you're interested in visiting the place and you're from Bangalore or nearby, do give it a look.
If I would've known, if I had picked up on your tone, yeah, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be laying here just staring at the wall, waiting for you to get a call. So you got a reason to leave without making a thing about it. I thought I was free of you, and now the thought of you, it makes me sick. And baby, I gotta tell you the truth, I've got this empty space, and here's the thing about it, I've been looking for somebody